Hello and welcome to Cyber Cafe. In this video, I'll be explaining the importance of VLANs for networks. And by the end of this video, I will walk you through how to configure VLANs. So sit back, relax, and enjoy as I explain everything you need to know about VLANs from A to Z. What is VLAN? VLAN is a networking term that stands for Virtual Local Area Network. VLANs are an important part of networking as it helps us to divide a physical network into logical networks, which can be used for different purposes such as separating traffic or providing security. Virtual LANs or VLANs are a way of logically connecting network devices and computers. VLANs are created by using physical switch to create logical grouped devices. VLANs are a great way to segment networks and provide security. Let me give you an example of how VLANs work. Let's assume for my YouTube channel, Cyber Cafe, I have employees. My employees are helping me to upload content. And let's assume that I divided the responsibilities and created 3 groups. I have 4 designers, 4 developers, and 4 creators. So now, because I want to divide them into 3 separate groups, I will need to have each group using one switch. My only issue with that is that I don't get enough money from YouTube to buy another switch. So how can I create 3 different networks? Well, VLANs will give me the ability to take one physical switch and break it up into smaller virtual switches. In this switch, I can create 3 VLANs. Each VLAN will operate completely independent from the other VLANs. It's like a separate switch. So now, thanks to VLANs, I can continue uploading my videos for free as I don't have to save money to buy more switches. Because of VLANs, I was able to divide my network into 3 separate networks where every group have their own network. This was just an example to show you how VLANs work. VLANs have even greater benefits than what we just saw. With VLANs, you can limit user access to certain VLANs, like what we just did. You can also segment a larger network into smaller segments. With VLANs, devices don't have to be grouped physically together. With VLANs, we have the ability to prioritize the traffic, create separated broadcast domain, and increase performance by cutting down on collisions. So now that you have a better understanding of VLANs, let me show you how to actually configure VLAN. Hello guys and welcome to the lab. So as you see in here, I prepared the lab similar to what I was explaining to you about VLANs. We see in here that I have designers on this group, I have developers on this group, I have creators on this group. So now our task is that we want to create 3 VLANs where we have each group in a specific VLAN, so they can communicate with one another, but they can't communicate with the other VLANs. Let's start and let me show you how to configure the VLANs. So when you start the switch, this is the first thing that you will see. The first command we do enable, and let's go and see how many VLANs we have. So we do show VLAN. As you see in here, all this is the default VLANs. And now we want to create VLAN 10, VLAN 20, and VLAN 30. And we want to name them. So first thing to do right now, after we did enable, we're gonna go to the configure mode. So we're gonna do configure, terminal. Now we're gonna start by creating the VLANs. Creating the VLANs is easy and straightforward. All you have to do is you write VLAN 10 and after that you do name, and we said we're gonna call it designers, and that's it. This is how you create the VLAN. If we go back and we do show VLAN, you will see in here that you already have the VLAN. It's designers and it's active. Let's go ahead and create VLAN 20 and VLAN 30. Again, we do VLAN 20, name, developers, exit. So now we already created the VLAN. One more time, VLAN 30, name, creators. Then let's do int. Right now let's do show VLAN. Okay, so I know there was some updates in here, but it's fine. We can do it one more time. Show VLAN. As you see in here, you have VLAN 10, which is designers. You have VLAN 20, which is developers. We have VLAN 30, which is creators. So each group will be in their own VLANs. How to add each group into their VLAN, that's out of the scope of this video, because I don't want it to make it complicated to you guys. I just wanted to make it simple and to show you how to actually create a VLAN. Maybe we can do that in other videos, and I can show you how to put each device in a specific VLAN. At the end of this video, I hope that I made it easier for you to understand VLANs and how it works. If you have any questions or you want me to upload a specific video, please let me know. I will also continue with uploading some networking videos to help you in your CCNA exam, or to give you a good background about networking in general. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a wonderful day.